So now we are going to see how to compile our smart contract using Truffle. So let's start. First of all, we will create one file. Let's say by the name of demo.sol, and this will be our smart contract. And now let us copy the Solidity version as well as the SPDX license number from this contract that is provided by Truffle. Let me paste it here. Okay. Now let us create one contract, and then we are going to compile our contract with the help of Truffle. So let me name this as demo. And now let me create a state variable number and a function to set the value of this number. Let me have uint number, then public, and that's it. And we are going to do what? We are going to set our number variable with this new number. Okay. And then we will create one more function by the name of get to get the value, to get this number value. Public returns, since number is of uint type, so we will write uint and then return number. Okay, so this is our simple smart contract. Okay, there is some issue or what? Why this is red? Okay, there is some issue. Okay, we can make it view also, right? Because we are not changing the state variable, so we can make it view. Okay, so this is our smart contract. And you may notice one thing, that my smart contract is actually highlighted, right? Because I have installed one plugin by the name of Solidity. So first of all, just search for Solidity in your plugin section, and then just click on this Solidity by Juan Blanco, and just install it and enable it. So you will also see that your Solidity code will get highlighted. Okay, so just do that and your Solidity code will get highlighted. Now what we are going to do is we are going to compile a smart contract. So I will write truffle compile, and this truffle compile command will compile all the contracts present in our contracts folder. Okay, so with this just one command, we are going to compile all our contracts that are present in our contracts folder. Now let me press enter. Okay, there is some issue. What is the issue? Let's see. Okay, what is the issue? Okay, I misspelled it. Truffle compile, right? And as soon as our contracts will get compiled, you will see one more folder by the name of build, which will consist of our artifacts. That is the ABI and bytecode of our contract. So let us wait for some time. And here you can see that we have our build folder, and inside our build folder, we have our migrations.json file and demo.json file. In this, we will have our ABI of the contract as well as the bytecode of our contract. If you do not know about ABI and bytecode, let me tell you that whenever you compile your smart contract gets split into two parts. One is the ABI and another one is the bytecode. And here we can search that also. Let me type ABI. Okay, let me go down. So we must have our API of our contract down there only. Let us search where it is. It's a long file, right? It is ABI. Okay, let me search for ABI all. Let's see. And within this, okay, there is no response because, yeah, now you can see that we have our ABI. And let me search for bytecode. So this is the ABI of our contract. And now let me search for the bytecode. And let's see. So this is our bytecode. Okay. Now if we will go back to our console, you will see that my contract got compiled by Solidity 0.8.10. That is this version of Solidity compiler. Okay. In your case, it might be that you might be getting an error if your compiler is not new. And in your case, it might be different. It might be old or it might be different than the version that I am using. But you can change it. For changing it, you have to just go to your truffle-config.js and just search for compilers. Okay, where it is? So here it is. And just change the compiler version from here. Let's say I want to go for 0.8.9. Okay, 0.8.9. Let me save it and remove the comments also, right? If you have comments like this, so just remove it just by selecting it and using control plus backslash. Okay, so this will remove the comment from here, and save it and just go back and just again type truffle compile command. By using upper arrow key, you can again have this truffle compile and just press enter. You will see that truffle-config.js file is smart enough. It will automatically install your Solidity Compiler 0.8.9. So now here you can see that my contract got compiled by using 0.8.9 Solidity Compiler. Okay, so you can make changes to your compiler by using truffle-config.js file. And this is how we compile our contract using Truffle. I hope you enjoyed this video. Meet you soon in the next video.